In this video, I will show you how to install Deepseek AI on your PC as an app. First, go to Google Chrome and search for Deepseek AI. Then, click on the first option. Click on Start Now and look for the three-dot icon at the top right corner. Choose the Cast, Save, and Share option, then select Install Page as an app. A small menu will pop up. Feel free to rename the app as you see fit. Then click on Install. Deepseek is now in a new open window as an app. It will also show up on your desktop with an app icon. You can now use this app to open Deepseek AI instead of having to go through a browser on your computer.